Westmoreland wanted man killed in reported gun battle with police. Legal gun holder allegedly threatens woman and child. Farmer called Pope Paul charged with murder in St. James. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. One of Westmoreland's most wanted, who was on bail and living in St. Elizabeth, was fatally shot Wednesday evening during a reported confrontation with the police. He is Vivian Godfrey, also known as Klansman. The police recovered an illegal firearm and several rounds of ammunition. It is reported that the police were in the Malvern area conducting an operation when they were confronted by Mr. Godfrey. He reportedly shot at the police. A shootout ensued and Mr. Godfrey was injured. He was recently offered bail in Westmoreland Parish Court for murder. He later relocated to Malvern. This is the second most wanted from Westmoreland, who was killed during confrontation with the security forces in St. Elizabeth this month. A 51-year-old businessman from Glengough, St. Catherine, has been charged with several breaches of the Firearm Act following an incident involving a woman and a child in Mispark in a parish last week. Reports from the Linstead Police are that between August 11 and August 12, the man who the police disclosed is a licensed firearm holder had a dispute with the complainant. Allegations are that during the fracas, the businessman reportedly used his firearm to threaten her and her 10-year-old son. The businessman also allegedly damaged the complainant's Toyota Corolla motor car. The police were summoned and he was arrested. The 51-year-old man has since been charged with assault at common law, using a firearm to commit a felony, unauthorized use of a firearm, and malicious destruction of property. The businessman's court date is yet to be finalized. 31-year-old Jason Jarrett, otherwise called Pope Paul, a farmer of George Valley, St. James, was charged with murder following an incident in his community on August 11. The victim is 66-year-old Hector Woolery, a plumber of the same community. Reports from the Maroontown Police are that about 4 p.m., Woolery and Jarrett had an argument which escalated. Woolery reportedly used a piece of log to attack Jarrett, which resulted in him stabbing Woolery to the left side of his chest. The police were summoned and Woolery was assisted to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. Jarrett was taken into custody and later charged on August 15 following an interview in the presence of his attorney. His court date is being finalized.